Hello everyone, welcome to our official YouTube channel. Today we're gonna see step-by-step guide on how to apply for a company name on the MCA portal in India. Whether you're starting a new business or incorporating a company in India, one of the first thing you need to do is to choose and reserve your company name. In this entire video, we will walk through the entire process from logging in into the MCA portal and submitting your application for the name registration. Let's get started. First, we need to open a browser and go to the official website of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. For applying for the name, we must have to register ourselves on the MCA portal, and we can register easily by clicking on the register option. Then we have to decide what type of user we are, whether we are a registered user or a business user, and we also have to enter our income tax PAN. Then in the personal details, we have to enter the basic details like middle name, first name and last name, date of birth, gender and the profession. Then in the contact details, we have to enter the address of the registered user, his mobile number and his email ID. After which we have to set a password for our MCA ID and confirm that password. And when we click on create my account, an OTP for the verification will be sent on your given mobile number and one for email ID also. After such verification gets successful, our ID on the MCA portal will created, which is usually the email ID we have given in the registration. After registering ourselves, we have to log in into the MCA portal with our credentials. After which we first have to move to MCA services, then to company e-filing, and then on incorporation and change services. Then we have to click on Spice Plus form. After which an interface for filing of part A of Spice Plus form will get open. Then we have to choose what type of company we want to incorporate. In our case, we are incorporating a private company, so we will click on the new company and choose private company for the class of company. And also have to decide whether the company is limited by shares or limited by guarantee.